Fixing touchscreen working on its own. Here's how to fix it. If your touchscreen is acting on its own, it's likely due to a hardware or software issue. Start by cleaning your screen gently with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove dust, smudges, or moisture that might be causing false touches. Restart your device to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. Ensure your screen protector isn't interfering. If it's damaged or poorly fitted, remove or replace it. Check for software updates, as outdated systems can cause touch sensitivity issues. Go to your settings and recalibrate the touchscreen if your device offers this option. If the problem persists, uninstall recently added apps that might conflict with the touchscreen functionality. As a last step, perform a factory reset after backing up your data to eliminate deeper software conflicts. If none of these fixes work, the issue could be hardware-related, and you may need to contact a professional technician or your device manufacturer for further assistance.